Hello and welcome to Prudent News. Now a look at the headlines. Bharti, Shatrughan Sinha, Jaswant Singh and Lal Krishna Advani skip national executive in Goa after Parrikar's comments on Modi and senior party leaders. BJP Mega Goa Convention chants Narendra Modi mantra. Narendra Modi, grade 1 choice for prime ministerial candidate, says Chief Minister Parrikar. Politicians growing old, incapable of taking quick and firm decisions. Modi may be declared as Lok Sabha election campaign chief for 2014. BJP MLA Vishnuvard criticizes his own party, says CM is not sincere on MOI issue, opposes India's participation in Lusophonia Games, supports improvised videos, accepts about his talks with Sharad Pawar. Anti-CM advertisements overpower BJP's national executive promos in local English dailies. Opposition slams BJP for spending lavishly on national executive ads. And former ministers and former deputy speaker under the scan of Vigilance Department. Human rights defenders complain for illegally denotifying parking land in Daboli. Now the news in detail. Bharatiya Janata Party's National Executive meeting on Saturday will discuss on UPA scams, scandals and national security issues. Party is all set for the meet. Friday meeting of the BJP office bearers has fixed the agenda and issues to be discussed during the National Executive. But Team Advani members like Bharti, Shatrughan Sinha, Jaswant Singh along with Lal Krishna Advani skipped the Goa trip citing health reasons. At present, the National Executive is chanting Narendra Modi mantra in Goa.
The much-awaited, high-profile National Executive meeting of the Bharatiya Janata Party will be held on Saturday and Sunday in Panji. Majority of the BJP national leaders reached Goa by Friday afternoon. The office bearers meet on Friday evening decided the agenda and the issues to be deliberated at the National Executive meet. This meeting will discuss increasing corruption in the UPA government, inflation, corruption and economic condition of the nation. Meeting will also decide a line of action against UPA government for the ensuing general elections in 5 states and Lok Sabha poll in 2014.
देश की इन्हीं परिस्थितियों के बारे में कल किस प्रकार से चर्चा की जाए इस विषय में पदाधिकारियों की बैठक में विचार विमर्श हुआ। कल और परसों होने वाली राष्ट्रीय कार्यकारिणी में 2 प्रस्ताव रहे। एक प्रस्ताव राष्ट्रीय सुरक्षा और स्वाभिमान से जुड़ा हुआ होगा, नेशनल सिक्योरिटी एंड नेशनल प्राइड, और दूसरा प्रस्ताव राजनीतिक प्रस्ताव होगा जिसमें कि भ्रष्टाचार और व्यवस्थाएं किस प्रकार से ध्वस्त हो रही हैं उसके विषय में चर्चा होगी। इसके उपरांत पिछले कार्यक्रमों की समीक्षा होगी। जिन राज्यों में चुनाव है उसमें जो कार्यक्रम चल रहे हैं।
Narendra Modi, Sushma Swaraj and Rajnath Singh reached Goa on Friday afternoon, but Lal Krishna Advani and his team members Bharti, Shatrughan Sinha and Jaswant Singh skipped the Goa trip citing health reasons.
Mr. Advani is slightly unwell. Our national president has already told that he will come to me.
कौन-कौन नहीं आ रहे?
Senior leaders में अभी Bharti जी ने रिटर्न में किया है कि वो बीमार होने के कारण।
At present, Gujarat CM Narendra Modi's projection as prime ministerial candidate has irked few party seniors, but it has hijacked the agenda of the National Executive meeting in Goa. Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar, reporter Surendra Madkaikar with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent.
Narendra Modi is the grade 1 BJP leader. This statement by the Chief Minister Parrikar has created new stir within the BJP. Advani lobby is annoyed with Parrikar's remark that as the age grows, ability to take decisions declines. many in the BJP are lobbying hard to declare Modi as the Lok Sabha election campaign chief for 2014. Announcement is expected on Sunday.
Just before the national executive could begin in state, Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar dropped a bombshell. In a TV interview, he openly supported Modi's elevation and said that politicians should retire at 65. Advani took it personally.
India today needs desperately an administrator, a good administrator who can deliver. And in that parameter, I don't think anyone has a competition other than Narendra Modi. As the age goes, maturity improves. But as you go beyond a certain age, your ability to take decisions slowly declines.
What do you think the age should be?
No, I think anyone beyond 65 should review his own position and should not convert himself into a vegetable.
Is that a message then you're sending to Mr. Advani?
No, not at all, not at all.
BJP spokesperson Sudhanshu Trivedi says that BJP is a democratic party. Chief Minister can express his opinion, but party's decision will be final.
Ours is a democratic party, and chief ministers are having to express their opinion. They can express their opinion, but finally, whatever the party will decide, it will be the opinion of everyone.
Sources say, with Parrikar's remark, members of Advani lobby, Bharti, Shatrughan Sinha, Jaswant Singh has boycotted the national executive at Goa. Narendra Modi arrived in state on Friday afternoon. He was welcomed with great pomp at Daboli airport.
मैं जब अहमदाबाद से निकल रहा था उस समय मुझे खबर मिली कि भारत के वित्त मंत्री श्रीमान चिदंबरम जी के माताजी का स्वर्गवास हुआ है। मैं ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करता हूं कि दिवंगत आत्मा को शांति मिले।
On the other side, Congress NCP were in mood to sideline Modi mania. From Friday morning, Congress held 3 media briefings and 1 NCP. First Sardina, second Rujano of NCP, and then Alex, and then Shantaram Naik. Shantaram Naik said it's a shame for Goa as the CM has openly supported Modi, who's involved in Godhra carnage.
That Mr. Manohar Parrikar, Chief Minister of Goa, who boasts that members of minority community vehemently supported in the last assembly elections to the Goa Assembly, taking initiative to highlight the merits of Modi. This is shocking, and it brings shame to the state and the secular-minded people of the state.
Francis Sardina says that Modi is good for Gujarat only.
They want Mr. Modi, and we will see that they will not come to power 100%. How many states are with them? One Gujarat and something else. They can only dream of making Modi the Prime Minister.
Chief spokesperson of NCP Trajand Melo feels that Parrikar has lost support of minority communities after his praises for Modi.
The people of Goa, of all communities, will not accept the known characteristics of a leader as Modi. And I say this with confidence because the Chief Minister has displayed this of Goa. In the last assembly elections, when this Chief Minister was the campaign manager for Goa, he did not allow Modi to touch the soil of Goa.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.